dish that I'm gonna show you how to make right now is something that you will not find in a restaurant, you will not find in a fonda, you will only find it in a Mexican's home or in your home. And this is a chile relleno rice. You can't stuff a fresh poblano chile. It has to be fire roasted first. You get a chile that is transformed. You make a slit on the chile like this. You remove the seeds, and what a beautiful thing to feel. This is your chile relleno. That is still not relleno. We're gonna stuff it right now with a lot of cheese. You want these chile rellenos to be really rellenos. You want them stuffed to the brim. And then you're gonna use a toothpick to seal the chile. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. So I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of safflower oil. I have my heat set over medium heat. Use 2 cups of jasmine rice. So the rice is now coated in the bit of oil, and I'm waiting for my rice color to change to that deep white color. We're looking for the smell of the rice cooking, which is a toasty smell, and the rice should sound heavier. I'm gonna make a little room here in the middle. I'm gonna add a little bit of more oil, and I'm gonna add half of a cup of white chopped onion. And then as it starts softening, I'm gonna mix it with my rice. I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. A teaspoon of salt and a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. Wait for these to start simmering. If you were just making your white rice, you would put the lid, reduce the heat to low, and let the rice cook. Well, now you're gonna do the same thing, but with the chiles rellenos on top. So I'm nesting the chiles here, and what is going to happen is something beautiful. I'm gonna reduce the heat to low, and it's just like your normal rice, but when you open it, you're gonna have chile rellenos there too. Now I'm gonna make a tomato sauce to sauce them. I have here water that is already boiling. So I'm just adding tomatoes whole in the water, 2 pounds. I'm gonna add 2 garlic cloves. I'm gonna cut a piece of an onion, and I'm gonna add my tomatoes because they're ready. I am not being able to resist adding one of these chiles de árbol because I am loving these so much. These chiles de árbol from Yahualica, from Jalisco. See, as I'm shaking it, I'm smelling it. So fragrant. I'm adding just 1 chile de árbol, 1 generous teaspoon of salt, and a little pepper. Puree it until completely smooth. I'm gonna season it, which means I'm going to cook it with a little bit of oil. You want the oil to be really hot. Seasoning it here only means that you're waiting for the color to change from this brighter red to a very cooked red, which takes 1 to 2 minutes. Does it look as beautiful on screen as it looks to me? Because this to me is a thing of beauty. Please remember to take off your toothpick. Now we're gonna top these with our salsa roja. Oh, and these are the colors of the Mexican flag too. Red, white, and green. Now we're garnishing with a very salty and aged cotija. I'm gonna lace it with a little bit of crema. This is so comforting, so delicious, so nurturing. This is really Mexican home-style food from the heart. And these are dishes that I think should become part of your repertoire.